If you've got blood sugar issues, then waiting to do something about it later is a problem, and it could cost you everything. Diabetes increases your risk for all kinds of stuff that you don't want: nerve damage, blindness, heart attacks, strokes. I think it's even related to Alzheimer's and dementia. You could have kidney problems. People get their feet amputated. This is serious stuff. So waiting for the right time to deal with it is not a good idea. The right time is now. Why do I care about this as a chiropractor? Well, my job is primarily to be a healthcare provider. And I think I take this stuff even more seriously as a sports medicine provider, because even though we're primarily responsible for dealing with injury recovery and getting people back into sport, our main concern is the health of the athlete. And that concern, that focus on overall health, it applies to all of my patients. Now, most diabetics know exactly what they need to do to improve. It's simple, it's just really hard to do. But here's the cool thing: everything that you would need to do to improve your diabetes situation is everything that we would use for effective pain management and return to sport. And it's everything that is going to be included in any decent healthcare program. So I'm talking about strength training, I'm talking about cardio, I'm talking about step count. We need to think about things like nutrition, sleep, stress management. By focusing on all of these things, we can effectively help you manage chronic pain. We can help return someone to physical activity after an injury. We can decrease someone's risk for heart disease, diabetes, cancer, stroke, dementia, Alzheimer's. We can have a positive effect on the immune system. So we can decrease your risk for illness. We can potentially lessen the symptoms when you do get sick. We can improve your energy levels, improve your sleep, improve your mood. And like I said before, these changes are super simple. They're just hard to do. Things can be simple and hard at the same time. And that's why having a coach might be the secret sauce to your success. So if you're concerned about your blood sugar, if you're concerned about your overall health, if you've got pain, if you've got some type of injury you need to recover from, if you're trying to get back to sport or trying to get back to just an active lifestyle, then the cool thing is you can make some very specific changes that can have an effect on all of those things. And if you need help, there's no shame in that.